Howdy world! In today's video, I'll be doing another holographic nail look. This time we're going to be using a yellow neon jelly color. I personally like to cut out my own holographic pieces using some manicure scissors, and I'll cut that into all shapes and sizes. And I'm making sure to cut out really small pieces that fit around the cuticle area because I'm definitely going to need those. You could also buy these pieces yourself, but I personally cut them out. You have options. Next, you're going to go in with either a base coat or a thin consistency builder gel. Make sure that when you apply your base coat or your builder gel, you do not cure it. Apply it in a thin layer and then start adding your pieces in whatever direction you please. Usually my looks tend out to look like shattered glass, and you can layer these pieces because they're very thin. And then once you find what direction you want things to flow, then you're going to go in and apply your builder gel. Now, this is going to encapsulate the product and it's not going to be able to lift or come off or peel. If you can still feel the holographic pieces, you can go in with another layer of builder gel, but be mindful because based off of the nail brand that you buy, some nails are thin, some nails are thick, and if you're applying builder gel to encapsulate things, it can go overboard real fast. Just think you're applying one coat of builder gel, so you need another layer to encapsulate it fully. Perfect. Do that very thin. And then you still have to apply your gel color, which that's probably two coats there. And then you still have to apply a top coat. So to be on the safer side and to keep the nails looking more natural, apply everything in thin layers. And just know that whenever you're encapsulating, for the most part, the nail's going to look a little more bulkier, period. Okay, back to it. Once you finish encapsulating, then you're going to go with your color of choice. I'm choosing this beautiful neon yellow color, and I'm doing two coats of that on each nail. And then I'll go in and cure that. Each coat I cure 60 seconds. And then I finish off by applying top coat and curing that for 60 seconds. And now let's do a recap because I feel I left some things out and I just want to clarify so it makes it easy peasy for you if you're trying to recreate this look on yourself while you're at home. Okay, so first steps first, you're going to make sure that your nails are already on your full cover tips. That's the cat. Then you're going to go in with either a thin layer of base coat or a thin layer of builder gel, and you're not going to cure it. So try not to apply too much close to the cuticle area if you're not too good with applying these products. And then you're going to go in and you're going to apply your holographic pieces, whether you cut them up or you bought them. Then you're going to cure that for 60 to 120 seconds, depending on your lamp. And then you're going to go in with your encapsulation, which is your builder gel. You're going to encapsulate these holographic pieces by applying a thin layer onto the nails. Then you're going to cure that again for 60 to 120 seconds. And now listen to me closely. Only if needed, if you still feel the little pricks of the holographic pieces because maybe you've layered them, then you're going to apply a second layer, a thin layer of builder gel on top of that second layer of builder gel after you already cured the first one. Okay, so cure the first builder gel, apply a second coat if needed, and then stop there. The next step is optional. You might apply your gel color. I apply the neon yellow. And if you're not applying color, then just go straight in with your top coat. If you are applying color, make sure you cure in between each color, and then voila, you're all done. You have gorgeous holographic nails. They're definitely going to show if you use a jelly color, so use something that's transparent, that is sheer, and if you want a little more color, definitely add a second or third coat. But everything, do it in thin layers, that way those nails still look bomb.com. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a pleasure making it. I forgot to make this in Spanish, but it's okay. My spirit tells me everything is going to be alright. So it is. And I hope you enjoyed this. So I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned because I will always make content that makes me happy, and I'm sure it'll make you. And do make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Leave a comment. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Universe Lovers with a Z at the end. See you next time. Can't wait. So excited, so thrilled, so bashful, and full of glee. Just like these nails. Ooh. Ciao, ciao.